Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here in front of us is a breadboard, and here in front of us is also a breadboard, but in a different angle. How to use it? I don't want to show my lady naked, just kidding. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a false circuit. Here we have a false circuit in front of us, which I am creating just for no reason, to just show you how really a breadboard function, or how really it feels like to create a circuit on a breadboard, or how it looks like to be, right? So don't try this at home, it won't really work. This is just for the showing purpose. It really doesn't work, right? Now just ignore this whole part. I'm just showing you how the things get inside the hole and everything, but it really doesn't work, so you can skip this part if you want. But the informative part is coming just in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, just start the informative part. So the breadboard consists of holes, yes, in which you just insert all your equipments, like those LED barcodes over there, and it's just a piece of plastic. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is connected horizontally with each other. The upper part is connected with each other horizontally, and the down part is connected with each other horizontally, and these 5 parts also, and these 5 parts is not connected with that 5 parts, and the upper part over here is connected vertically like this. So I think you would be getting a normal imagining part inside your brain that how it really looks. So like I have connected this wire, there's no really reason for connecting this wire because it's already connected. It's connected like this. Every single hole over here is connected from each other vertically. You would also see a double-sided tape with some of the breadboard, or I think all of the, I'm having one, so I don't really know if every single one of them having, though it's really strong. And the breadboard consists of 3 parts that I'm trying to just tear off, just show you. Its first part, it's the second part over here, which is not really taking out, and the third part is in the middle. Okay, don't try this hard, they understand everything. Never mind, let's move on to a circuit which really works. Here we having a breadboard. Yeah, you can see it's really a breadboard, right? Now just connect the LED anywhere on the breadboard. Okay, let's remove this one, let's place a blue one. So here we're having the blue one, and connect the wire with the positive and negative, and you would see it glowing. So now you would get a really more sketch of how it really works. Now let's make it a little difficult and a little bit more understanding part. So the part upper and the down part is not connected with each other at any sort of. So like any sort of thing is not connected with each other. Okay, the English part is really not bad. Now let's have a 150 ohm resistor. If you really want to know how resistor works, I'm gonna make a video on that as well. Otherwise I won't really do that. If you really want to just have that video, just comment down below, or just give me 5 likes. I'm gonna make it. Now here we have a connecting wire, which is really expensive. No one can afford it. It's really expensive. Okay, just kidding. So just connect it to the where the battery connectors part is. So yeah, just make your thing that this is connected horizontally, where I've connected the connecting wires, so I can connect the battery over here so that it can power that LED to glow. Let me see if the terminals are right. Okay, I understand. The upper part is the red wire, which is positive, and the down part is the negative part, which is black wire. Now I am connecting it, having a little problem, and here we have it. You can see it's glowing, right? And it won't really burn off because I'm having a resistor now. So if you're having every single equipment with you, you would easily be able to make the circuit at home. If you really want to see more circuits like this, comment down below. I'm gonna make a beginner circuit kit for you guys, a video for beginners. because I also saw a beginner circuit. So if you connect it over here as well, it would still work. You would ask me why? Because it's connected 5. I'm like, the 5 of these pair are connected to each other. Here you can see it's still glowing because 1 2 3 4 is connected with each other. I'm like 1 2 3 4 5. Each side is connected with each other. Otherwise it's just a piece of plastic, and it's only for checking these circuits if it's working good or not before soldering or before making something good. So here's all the mess that I've created just for making the video, just for the sake of video. And that is the script writing over here. I'm gonna write the script. Okay, I've already written that, and that's why I'm just speaking. And here's all the mess that I've created just for the sake of video, because the breadboard is down there. Yeah, I know, it's a really bad mess. I have to clean this up. Never mind, you just don't have to do anything. You just have to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Now let me show you how it divides in 3 parts. Here we have it. The middle part, the side part, and the side part as well. So there are small parts like vertically just joined with each other. And that's how it look. Otherwise, like, that's why it's not connected with each other, and the middle part is not even connected with each other because there are 2 parts in the middle part as well. So both of them are not even connected with each other. Just let me give you a photo over here to show you how it really looks like a breadboard. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't forget to comment below. Bye bye.